to reference fields in Odoo. So it's a pretty cool new trick that I learned by way of mostly Richard. We're still fine-tuning some ways to better communicate it though, but I thought a video would help. Okay, so this will help the sales process for a number of reasons because it'll show people how easy and dynamic Odoo is from a customization standpoint. So first, what we want to do here is you probably oftentimes in workflows, want to have information reference previous records going forward. For instance, if I sell a service for a product that I'm maintaining for a customer, I probably want to have the serial number automatically update, right? For instance, I could show you, but you want to have that information automatically update. What I'm going to do here is just give you an example. Let's say like you want to track the type of vehicle that a customer drives on each sale order or each lead that's created for that customer. So for instance, if I'll show it to you, it'll make more sense. So on the customer record, what you want to do is you identify the record which you want to have a field draw from. So if we go here, Studio will create a new field, just a basic text field here called vehicle type. My computer's running slow, I apologize. Here, and we just name this vehicle type. Now, we have vehicle type. It's going to be important here to remember the name of this field. So just do a little copy paste action, close it, save it. Now, what we want to do is on every lead that's created for this customer, we want to reference that vehicle type and we don't want to think about it. We want to just have it automatically populate. So what we can do is you open up a lead and we create a field here for the vehicle type because it needs a place that information needs to be stored in a certain place. So once we do that, then we let the magic happen. Reference, vehicle type, great. Now what we want to do is we want to make that field dependent on the field in the customer record. So the way that we do that is we're referencing another model, right? That model that we're going to reference is on the customer record. We're referencing information that will sit on the customer record. So what we have to do there is, and we're going to have it automatically populate here. So whatever I decide to name the vehicle type in the customer record, if I assign the customer to this lead, that information, that field will also automatically populate. So the way it's done is you go into more, because now we're going to redefine the rule for this field. And in more, we go to related fields. And what we do is we type in the name of the field that we're referencing, the model that we're referencing, dot, and then the name of the field that we're referencing, which is that first field that I created titled new vehicle type in the res.partner model. And then what I do is I close it. First I save it. Sorry. And then Odoo crashes. No. But let me just make sure I have this right. Go here, vehicle type, more, edit, do res.partner dot, it's not res.partner, it's actually partner ID, because that's the name of the field which is related to the res.partner model. And then I save this. And once I do that, I close and watch what happens. Here's the magic. So now I create a new customer. Let's just say I create a customer called Dan Philo. And I say Dan Philo has green hair and the vehicle type is a Honda. When I save this, no problem. Now when I go to create an opportunity for Dan in my pipeline, create test Dan Philo, create. When I open it, boom, vehicle type, Honda, hair color, green, Dan Philo. And if I update it, on the customer record here, and I say it drives a Tesla, will automatically update it on the opportunity type. Cool. I know that like this could be helpful in the sales process when trying to just connect workflows or connect pertinent information that's part of a workflow throughout various different models as you're moving through them. For instance, when you're when you have a service order and you want to track a serial number to a task, and then maybe you open a ticket related to that task, you want that serial number to go on there, and maybe the repair order as well. So this is a way to just like package information and move it through the system as to like automate and reduce any potential risk of error due to like manual data entry. It's pretty sweet. Cool. All right, let me know if you have questions. Happy to help out. Thanks.